gathered here tonight to choose a winner, a contestant who can proudly be proclaimed Grasim of the main event, that of one world, because it is all about the spirit of camaraderie.
In this contest, the contestants took over the role of judges as they voted for the participant whom they considered the most outgoing and friendly, who exuded positive attitude and warmth.
And the unanimous choice for Grasim Mr. Popular is Mr. British Virgin Islands.
Mr. Bhansali.
A big hand, ladies and gentlemen, from the British Virgin Islands, Mr. Popular. To be proclaimed the epitome of manhood, the moment of final judgment, the moment of Grasim Mr. International 2000. May I request the 6 finalists to please step forward. Give them a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. 6 finalists. Grasim Mr. International 2000.
May I also call upon Mr. J.J. Valaya and Mr. Anand to give away the award of Grasim Mr. International, second runner-up.
Judges, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Vishwanathan Anand and Mr. J.J. Valaya. Well, gentlemen, if you didn't know what destiny is, you know it now. So say your prayers like they say, do as if everything depended on you, and pray as if everything depended on God. The very best to all of you.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, second runner-up of Grasim Mr. International 2000 is Mr. China!
Thank you, JJ. Thank you, Mr. Vishwanathan Anand. And to give the award for Grasim Mr. International, give them a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. Mallika Sarabhai, Mr. Prabhu Deva.
And Grasim Mr. International, first runner-up, goes to Mr. Mexico!
Thank you, Mallika. Thank you, Mr. Prabhu Deva.